Okay guys, so today's mini vlog, I'm in the parking area at Kaiser's Permanente. Today is my mammogram schedule/appointment. Supposedly this was being scheduled last December 24th 2024, but the radiologist or the in charge of the thing called off their schedule dead, and it time flies. Kakaikot ko hanap ng parking, tayo ay nakahanap. So ngayon lalabas na tayo at pupunta tayo sa elevator. My car key is here, so we have to get it before we lock ourselves here. Automatic yung power button natin. Kahit naka-andar to, hindi to aalis or hindi to tatakbo kapag wala ang susi sa loob, kasi power button. Ano siya? Keyless. Alright, so daming daldal. Punta na tayo sa elevator. Okay, we're on level 2. I always have a hard time finding my car when I go somewhere, guys, kasi nga super makalimutin ako, so dyan tayo nag-park. Okay, so the elevator go that way. So nasa second floor tayo, lakad lang papuntang elevator. Okay, we're here. We're going to the left. To the left. Yun yung receptionist area. So I can remember, I think it's number 14. There you go. Okay, so they allow me to check in early, but I have to wait here. Number 15, I have to fill this up. Okay. Okay, so I filled up the form. I'm waiting for my turn to be called. We are in the waiting area. So yung isang naghintay, tinawag na. Okay, so last kong mammogram pala noong December 20, 2022, nandito sa paperwork. Naalala ko noon, nag-breastfeed pa si Frey. Inalimutan ko na pipigain pala yung breast natin pag nagpa-mammogram. So, trivia lang, tawang-tawa yung in charge. Nung piniganan niya yung dudots ko, ang daming gatas naglabasan. So, sabi ko, sorry, I'm still breastfeeding. So, sabi niya, okay lang. Kaya pala, nung in-extrain niya yung dudots ko, parang malaki daw than before. Kaya pala, so, okay guys, banyo tayo, tapos na yung mammogram ko. Napiga jud akong duha ka tutoy today, no? So 4 pictures, 1 each na nakaharap, then 1 each na nakatagilid yung dudots para talaga makita. Tapos yung pinaka mahirap is yung i-hold mo yung breath mo pag i-on-an yung machine. So nakaginhawa na ta, guys. So hopefully good results when the time comes. I-email lang yung resulta. Alright, so that's our mini vlog for today. Banyo muna. Okay, so since I'm here, naamoy ko yung kape. So papasok muna tayo sa cafeteria at kukuha tayo ng kape bago mag-gym. Baunin lang natin sa car. Maraming nagda-dine in doon. Bumili ako ng chocolate chip cookie. Ipahati ko na lang kay Thea and Freya. Matutuwa yun. Okay guys, balik na tayo sa parking. Alright, so we're here in Planet Fitness. I got a space here nearby the entrance. we're gonna do the Stairmaster first. We have an hour before pickup time. So that ends my mini vlog for today's video. Thank you for watching. Kaya mo sign in sa ko. I need a phone in here.